Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, today I got some duty from my teacher that I must make some slide with the title is the impact of technology on education. And we are knowing about technology that we usually use in a class or maybe in your home. We are playing game with our laptop or maybe our phone, and maybe you have some PlayStation or maybe Xbox. That's some of kind of technology, yeah, but not on education. So now let me explain what is the impact of technology on education. Yeah. So the first is there's a table of contents. Yeah, I just give some list. The first is for the positive impact, and the second is negative impact, and the third is about the conclusion. Yeah, it's too short anyway. Only three material that I have in this time. Yeah, let's continue. So the first we got positive impact. So what is the positive impact of uh, technology on education? The first is the access to information. We usually know when we do some homework or maybe some duty from our school, we must search some information. Like when at Dinia, we need to search about hadith or maybe search about Quran or maybe some of thing about IT and each other. Maybe in breaking news. Yeah. And the second, interactive learning. Yeah. So in interactive learning we can learn using game, but not playing game like Free Fire or something like that. You play like Kahoot maybe, or maybe some course that like playing game. So you can learn something from your laptop or maybe your technology with interactive learning. Yeah. And and the third is flexibility and convenience. Yeah, I don't know how to pronounce it. Yeah. Okay, the third and the fourth is collaboration and communication. Yeah, usually when we use our laptop, maybe some of you or maybe all of you is using a Discord to communication, and maybe we can use Figma for collaboration design, like make some UI design or something like that. And communication, usually we can use Discord, WhatsApp, and Google Chat. Yeah, if we are on school, that's for collaboration and communication. And the fifth is personalized learning. Yeah, it's for you by yourself. So personalized learning is like when I like programming, then I learn by myself without teacher, and I search by myself. Yeah. And the sixth is improve accessibility. Now, when we use a laptop, we got some access to use some Google, ChatGPT, or maybe text to speech, or maybe each other that we need. So you can use or maybe improve your accessibility when you use technology. And last is efficient assessment. Yeah, that for like when you play some Kahoot, yeah, like this before interactive learning. But efficient assessment is like you just do some kind of thing that you learn already, like practice. Okay, if there's a positive impact, so there is a negative impact. So what is the negative impact? The first is, yeah, the one of thing that of us, yeah, is distraction. Now maybe when we do some homework or maybe some duty from our teacher, we will get some distraction when we use a technology, yeah, like laptop, handphone, PlayStation or maybe someone like that. Yeah, it's a namely distraction. So you cannot focus on your homework or things that you must do it now. Yeah, and the second is reduce social interaction. So maybe I usually see in Instagram that people is very friendly, but when I meet them or maybe her, it's like some weird, like he very slim, say in Indonesia we can say nolak lah, or maybe it's so like it's I can say keterkebalikan of social media. Or maybe when we use social, it's like for it's very weird. Like when we comment is too, yeah, you know what. But when we meet the people that we comment, we will be silent and only can, yeah, we only can silent. Yeah, and the third is cheating and plagiarism. So in the third is cheating. We usually know that when we do some homework and we is too lazy to do it, we will do some things that illegal. Like when we want to explore some map or maybe some kind of uh, question that we don't know, we will ask to AI, and it's like cheating. Maybe. Yeah. So you will not improve yourself. You only will be there, and you will never know about the question or maybe how to answer the question. Okay, and the fourth is technology inequality. Okay, we usually know in IDN we got some internet, but not all students have. But not all students is have a high internet. Like in IDN we only got maybe only one or maybe 2 megabyte per second. And the five is health issue. So maybe I saw some of my friends that using glasses is because of him or maybe her using a laptop or maybe handphone. It's too long. So he doesn't have for the screen time is not good, and it can be broke your eyes and maybe poor posture. Yeah. And the last is over the and the over the pens. Okay, maybe just that for the negative impact. Yeah. And last conclusion. Yeah, I will read it. Technology has significantly transformed education by making learning more accessible, engaging, and personalized. It offers numerous benefits such as improved access to information, interactive tools, and flexible learning environments. However, it also brings challenges like distraction, health concern, and inequality in access. Yeah, that's for the conclusion that I get. Yeah. And then for the last but not the last, do you have any question? Well, if you have any question that you wanna say to me, just say it. Maybe I will answer or not. Okay, I'll wait for a second.
No.
No? What?
What the positive impact of technology on education?
So, what is the positive impact of technology on education? We actually can learn like Scratch or programming, or maybe we can learn about something that it's new. Yeah, we just that. Yeah. Is there any question again? If there's no, I will close out. There's no. Okay. Well, thanks for your nice attention. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.